Hello everyone, I am Pooja and in this video I am going to talk about how the defect, severity and priority are categorized. So this is very important concept to understand. So please go through the video till the end, and if you think if this video helped you, then please like, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. So let's begin. So what is the difference between severity and priority? Severity, it is the extent to which the defect can affect the software. In other words, it defines the impact that a given defect has on the system. For example, if an application or web page crashes when a remote link is clicked, in this case, click the remote link by an user is rare, but the impact of application crashing is severe. So this severity is uh, high, but priority is low. Severity can be of following types: critical, major, moderate, minor, and cosmetic. So let's see critical defects. Defect is marked as critical when impact of defect is more on component of application and block the functionality to proceed further testing. So developer is always count this defect on first priority to fix. Major. Major defect is locked when a specific functionality is not working but user is able to do further test. Moderate. Moderate or medium severity is when a defect is not working as per expectation but system is functional. Minor. It did not cause any major breakdown, and defect that has minor severity can be considered as enhancements. Cosmetic. The defect that is related to the enhancement of the system, where the changes are related to the look and feel of the application, where the severity is stated as cosmetic. What are priority? Priority defines the order in which we should resolve a defect. Should we fix it now or can it wait? This priority status is set by the tester to the developer, mentioning the time frame to fix the defect. If high priority is mentioned, then the defect has to be fixed at the earliest. The priority status is set based on the custom requirements. For example, if the company name is misspelled in the homepage of the website, then the priority is high and the severity is low to fix it. So priority can be of following types: low, medium, and high. So low. The defect is an errand which should be repaired, but repaired can be deferred until after some more serious defects have been fixed. Medium. The defect should be resolved in the normal course of development activities. It can wait until a new build or version is created. High. The defect must be resolved as soon as possible because the defect is affecting the application in the product sphere. The system cannot be used until the repair has been done. So let's see some real-time examples to understand this bug severity and priority. High severity versus high priority bugs. Let's say you're working as a website tester in a SaaS company. You are testing a website on Chrome and experience no issues with the website look and feel. However, you switch your browser from Chrome to Internet Explorer. Then you realize that the time iframes on pricing page looks distorted. The buttons for buying the plans have disappeared along with the pricing you were offering based on different features that come under a plan, due to which people may fail to understand what they are getting on that what price. What's more, they can't buy it even if they somehow want to because of the buttons are missing out. So high severity because the pricing grid is not presented to the customer, leading to a blocker in the product purchase. And high priority because the issue needs to be resolved as soon as possible, as it is a blocker for the product selling. So what are high severity versus low priority bugs? Suppose your website homepage renders horribly in legacy browsers. The text is overlapping or logo fails to load. This is hampering the product functionality and user journey, so the bug severity would be high. However, since we are talking about the legacy browser, it is not going to deliver significant amount of visitors, so it may be considered as a low priority. So this example shows below from a Wix.com website, which is in the IE8 browser. So low severity versus high priority. Suppose you're trying to test the functionality of the website, and the website when summoned in the latest Google Chrome version shows that the buttons are slightly overlapping with each other. Although they are still clickable separately, however the visual representation is getting disturbed. Some alignment issues on the website are not a big issue. Although it doesn't look nice, still the user will be able to enjoy the internet surfing. So this is the example of low severity versus high priority bugs. Then low severity versus low priority. Suppose you're testing a website privacy policy or disclaimer and came across a typo error, or you notice that the color font is not as per user website theme. It is not that should be, so it is a bug. However, since it is not hampering the functionality of a web app, and also because it would not be noticed by the majority of users, it would be okay to keep it as low severity and low priority. So friends, here all mentioned examples are for demonstration purpose only. Again, it is up to the team only to decide the severity and priority of the bug. So this was the video about bugs classification. Hope this video helped you. So that's all for the video. Thanks for your time and please subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.